is Preston. You're watching to my channel. I'm doing a little bit of unboxing. I ordered up one of those WEN rotary tools to replace my Dremel that broke the other day. So here we go. Undo this. There's another box inside. There we go. Okay. So we got that. Comes in a nifty little plastic case. Into that. This one comes with this attachment. That's the main reason why I bought this. So I can do that. I want to try out doing some engraving. This is an operator's manual. You got that. That's pretty cool. And that's that. Now here's all the bits it comes with. Comes with some sanding discs. I say maybe some engraving type tools. Cool, that can help. That, some other wheels. These little cut-off wheels, looks like maybe. And some grinding discs. And soon I'll, it comes with another collet. So let's see what I got. Yeah, it's like a little drill bit. A little bit larger drill bit. All the little sanding drums. Little different grinding discs. I'm getting over being sick. So I got a little bit of sniffles going on here. Let's feel. I like the polishing this, sanding. Probably a polishing wheel. And those look like some cut-off discs. Oh yeah, the collars. Smaller polishing disc to hold the drums. I'll figure that one out. Little cleaning stone. Yeah, I can't wait to try this out. I'll try it out soon, and I'll let y'all know how it works out. Let's have a little engraver. So, well, thank you for watching. I'll try this out soon and let y'all know how it works out. Thank you. Bye-bye.